Welcome to this tutorial on how to pause your game in Unity Game Engine the easy way. The most convenient method for pausing the game in Unity is by setting the game's time scale to 0, which effectively pauses all time-based operations including movement, physics, and animation. Setting the time scale to 1 again will return the game to its normal speed. Code senses that when escape key is pressed as in input.get key down, then invert the Boolean variable game is paused to keep track of state whether the game is paused or not. The function pauseGame is called for every escape key press. Then in pauseGame it is checked if the game is paused, depending on which Time.timeScale is set to pause or unpause the game. If you've tried using timescale to pause the game, you may have noticed that audio continues to play even when the game is paused. Pausing the audio listener will pause all audio in the game. Simply set AudioListener.pause to true when pausing the game, like this. Audio that is paused using this method will resume from where it left off when the audio listener is unpaused again. But what about menu sounds and music? What if you want to stop some sounds, but keep others playing? Helpfully, you can instruct audio sources to ignore the audio listener pause state, like this. This will allow special audio sources, such as for your menu and UI sounds, to continue to play, even though other sounds have been stopped. I hope this helped. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.